In this video, you will see how luxury, sustainable fabric is made from these discarded banana stems.
Make sure to subscribe to the Next Gen Process channel, as it brings you amazing eco-innovations like this.
Every year, millions of banana stems are discarded as agricultural waste.
What if there was value here?
This fiber has great potential.
A strong, natural cloth.
Bring the next batch in. Watch the corners.
Keep the spacing even. This batch needs careful attention.
This is where we redefine eco-fashion.
Our refined banana fiber, strong and biodegradable.
Smooth and consistent, ready for dyeing.
Mixing the indigo base for today's run.
The forest green is coming along nicely.
Confirming color stability under various conditions.
System check complete, ready for fabric layout.
This batch has an excellent finish. Starting the assembly line now.
the organic dye absorption rate is optimal.
Recording the tensile strength data now, it exceeds standard cotton.
These front panels are ready for the sewing line. Check the pattern alignment.
We need a breakthrough, something truly unique and sustainable for the next collection.
What about banana fiber? I've seen some promising early data.
It has a surprisingly good hand feel, much stronger than I expected.
Lends itself well to flowing, structured pieces. Think drape and strength.
The simulation shows the banana fiber drapes beautifully for that tunic idea.
This turmeric dye gives a vibrant, earthy yellow, perfect for our sustainable vision.
We've got the zero waste pattern for the first jacket. This maximizes our yield.
Exactly. From humble beginnings, a revolution is born.
Scan completed. This pallet is for the European Distribution Center.
Check the organic certification labels on this batch. Load the summer collection first.
Is the shipment of raw fabric rolls secured?
Yes, all strapped in.